In this Olive video editing tutorial, I will show you how to color correct a video clip. I've assumed you have some knowledge of editing in Olive. A link to my beginner's tutorial is included in the description below for those that don't. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. Okay, well this is a video clip I took of I think it's a Sopwith Camel, and lighting conditions were terrible, and this is one of the problems with video cameras, especially if you've got them on automatic setting. A lot of the problems is actually caused by the white balance. Now bear in mind that this version of Olive that I'm using at present is the alpha version, so things may well change, but at present there's a few different ways you can color correct on most video editors, but I found in Olive the best way to do it. First of all, just select the video clip and then go into effects. To the left of video effects there's a little tab, left click on this, and first of all, next to color, left click on hue, saturation, brightness. You'll need this to adjust the brightness of the video, and then go back into the tab, left click on it, and you've got something called FreeIR or FreeIR. I can't pronounce it, I don't know what it's supposed to mean, but anyway, it's the one with all these different effects in. And what you're looking for is something called, I've got to find it myself now, it's called Color Edge, RGB. Left click on this, and what will happen is it'll actually make your video darker, and this is why I've brought this brightness saturation tab in. Now you'd think that you'd want to reduce the blue in this, but I found if you do it this way, what you want to take up is the red and the green. Obviously your video may be different, so I'm going to just tweak this up a little bit. And the reason I'm doing this is that the brightness don't seem to work until you change something on the clip, and I'm going to just take the brightness up just a little bit so I can sort of get an idea of what I'm doing. So I'm going to take this up. I happen to know that this one seems to be around about 25 on the red and the green, the RG, and if I take up the brightness to about, I don't know, I think it was something like 95. I'm holding my left mouse button down over these figures here. I don't know. I think that is probably about as good as I'm gonna get, and as you can see, it isn't perfect, but it's a vast improvement on the original. So now all you need to do is go into File and export your video. Like I said at the beginning, I assume you've got some knowledge of editing and how to export videos in Olive. So then hopefully you'll have something that I will admit isn't perfect, that looks something like this. Hopefully that's helped somebody. Thank you for watching. Cheers.